This AI tool makes your old videos go viral again. We've all felt that pang of disappointment. You spent hours crafting a video, a perfect family moment, a clever sketch, an insightful tutorial, only to upload it and watch it languish in the digital graveyard of low view counts. The algorithm, a seemingly capricious god, passed it by. For years, that video was considered a lost cause, a digital artifact destined for obscurity. But what if you could exhume it, not as a nostalgic relic, but as a vibrant, trending piece of content that captures the zeitgeist? This is no longer a fantasy. A new generation of AI tools is performing this very magic, and the process is as fascinating as the results. The secret doesn't lie in a single button labeled Go Viral. Instead, it's a sophisticated, multi-layered AI workflow that operates like a Hollywood production studio condensed into an algorithm. It begins not with creation, but with deep, forensic-level analysis. The AI first performs a comprehensive diagnostic on your old video. It scans every frame, assessing visual quality, degraded resolution, shaky camera work, poor color grading. It analyzes the audio track, identifying muffled dialogue, inconsistent volume, or dated background music. Simultaneously, it uses natural language processing, NLP, to transcribe and understand the spoken content, identifying key themes, sentiments, and potential hooks. But the true genius lies in the next step: cross-referential analysis with a live pulse of the internet. This is where the AI ceases to be a simple editor and becomes a cultural strategist. It doesn't just look at your video in isolation. It compares its elements against a massive, real-time database of what is currently trending on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Reels, and Instagram. It identifies viral audio clips, popular video formats, e.g., Get Ready With Me, unboxing, satisfying restoration, trending hashtags, and even the specific color palettes and editing rhythms that are capturing audience attention. It's conducting a billion-dollar market research study in milliseconds, finding the precise intersection between your dormant content and the world's current desires. Once this diagnostic and strategic phase is complete, the AI moves into the execution stage, and this is where the true transformation occurs. It doesn't just apply a generic filter, it performs a bespoke resurrection. First, it tackles the foundation, quality enhancement. Using advanced models like generative adversarial networks, GNs, the AI intelligently upscales the resolution. It doesn't just add pixels, it reconstructs them, filling in details that the original camera sensor never captured. It stabilizes shaky footage, removes visual noise, and color corrects the entire clip to a modern cinematic standard. For audio, it can isolate and enhance speech while suppressing background hiss, or even replace the entire audio track with a crystal clear, AI-generated voiceover that matches the original intonation. Next comes the most critical phase: narrative and emotional recalibration. This is the heart of the viral engine. The AI has already identified the core message of your video. Now, it restructures the entire narrative to maximize engagement. It uses its analysis of viral trends to pinpoint the exact moment a viewer's attention might wane. It will then re-edit the timeline, cutting out fluff, tightening pauses, and even reordering scenes for maximum impact. It identifies the most powerful, surprising, or emotionally resonant 3-second clip and places it at the very beginning as an attention hook, a technique perfected by top-tier content creators. Furthermore, the AI can generate new, contextually relevant visual elements. Imagine an old cooking tutorial where you casually mention an ingredient. The AI can instantly overlay a sleek, animated graphic with the ingredient's name and a fun fact, mimicking the style of a popular Food Network. It can replace a bland background with a dynamic, AI-generated scene that enhances the video's mood. It can even subtly alter the pacing, introducing quick cuts or slow-motion effects at key moments to heighten drama or comedic timing, perfectly mirroring the visual language of viral content. Finally, the tool handles the all-important launch sequence. It doesn't just hand you a polished video and wish you luck. It leverages its initial analysis to generate a suite of launch assets. This includes a selection of data-optimized titles and descriptions, packed with high-performing keywords and compelling questions. It creates multiple thumbnail options, often using AI to generate a provocative or curiosity-inducing image that it knows, from its data pool, will achieve a high click-through rate. It suggests the optimal time to post and identifies the most relevant hashtags and communities to target. The implication of this technology is profound. It democratizes virality, shifting the power from pure luck or massive marketing budgets to intelligent, data-driven rejuvenation. A forgotten travel vlog from 2010 can be transformed into a slick, fast-paced montage set to a trending sound, making it feel like it was filmed yesterday. A grandfather's heartfelt story, once trapped in a low-quality home video, can be restored, subtitled, and edited with the emotional pacing of a documentary, allowing it to touch millions. Of course, this power comes with ethical considerations. The line between enhancement and misrepresentation can blur. The potential to recontextualize old content in a misleading way is a real concern. Yet, the core function remains a powerful force for good. It gives value a second chance. It operates on the belief that a great moment shouldn't be penalized for being ahead of its time or poorly presented. This AI tool is more than a simple filter or an editing shortcut. It is a cinematic archaeologist, a cultural analyst, and a directorial prodigy, all woven into a single platform. It understands that virality is not a mystery, but a formula, a complex, ever-changing recipe of quality, narrative, timing, and emotion. By reverse engineering this formula and applying it to our past creations, it performs the ultimate digital alchemy. It doesn't just make our old videos new again, it makes them better, smarter, and finally seen. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.